Look at yourself. Not in the mirror. In the quiet moments when no one is watching. You are exhausted, but not from work. You're exhausted from existing in a life that isn't yours. You wake up tired. You move through crowds unnoticed. You give your energy to systems that replace you without blinking. You are not alive. You are a ghost in the machine. A shadow feeding time into corporations, people, and distractions that would forget your name the moment you stop producing. They call it normal. They call it adult life. But deep down, you know the truth. This isn't living. It's slow erasure. And tonight, that ends. Because while they scroll, while they gossip, while they sleep, you are about to disappear and rebuild yourself into something they can't ignore. It's time to go ghost mode. Our character, we'll call him the silent architect, didn't break dramatically. There was no screaming, no quitting speech, no motivational talk in the mirror. It happened on a Tuesday, 5:03 p.m., when he realized something terrifying. His life was being auctioned off in 30-minute increments for just enough money to survive, but never enough to escape. He saw his future. Same desk, same commute, same exhaustion, same conversations, different year. And in that moment, something inside him shut down. Not depression, not anger. Clarity. He stopped explaining himself, stopped trying to impress, stopped participating in the noise. And silently, he began constructing an exit. Step 1. The first thing to die was the feed. No more endless scrolling. No more late-night dopamine abuse. No more digital pacifiers. If information didn't build him, it was deleted, because distraction is the tax you pay for being average. He didn't go offline. He became invisible. Step 2. He shrunk his circle. Not out of bitterness, but out of precision. No pointless hangouts, no empty conversations, no emotional vampires, just silence and direction. Isolation isn't loneliness. It's the laboratory where power is engineered. Step 3. Every morning at 4 a.m. he moved. Not for aesthetics, not for validation, but for command. Because when you master your body, no environment, no workload, no pressure can dominate your mind. Discipline becomes armor. Step 4. Before he gave his best energy to his job, he gave 4 hours to himself. In total silence. No distractions. Just creation. This is where identity is forged. This is where weakness dies. This is where escape becomes inevitable. Step 5. And here's the most dangerous part. He told no one. No posts, no announcements, no motivational speeches. He simply showed up, changed. Same desk, a different presence, eyes sharper, voice calmer, energy heavier. While they stayed the same, he became unrecognizable. 90 days later, the world hadn't changed. The office was still grey, the machine still hummed, but the man inside it was gone. In his place stood something precise, something controlled, something dangerous. Not loud, not flashy, but unbreakable. He didn't just wake up. He learned how to hunt in silence. If you're still here, it's because something inside you recognized that hollow feeling, that quiet rage, that silent hunger. You're ready to rebuild. You're ready to disappear. You're ready to become dangerous in a world that thrives on weakness. The protocol starts tonight. No announcements, no excuses, no hesitation. Subscribe, join the silent few, lock in, and go ghost.